Hey y'all, I'm Elisa. I have installed hundreds of these quick disconnects and I'm going to help make this job easier for you. Today I am going to show you how to install a quick disconnect on a hose. When you receive your quick disconnect, it's going to be in a package like this. On the back of it, it's going to list your components and some quick little instructions on how to install it. But I'm going to walk you through that step by step today to make it just a little bit easier for you. It comes in two main components. We have the male component, and we also have the female component. The male component's really easy to install. You're going to want to put some pipe dope or some thread tape on the threaded end of it, and you're going to want to just screw it into your spray gun like such. Make sure you snug it up. If you purchased our Mag 2000 spray gun, you're going to need a reducer to fit the 1/2 inch into the 3/4 inch opening. This will come with your sprayer package if you purchase a sprayer package. If not, you can purchase this on our website. You do the same thing, put a little bit of pipe dope or some thread tape on here, and you want to screw it in. Don't screw it in too tight because you can crack the gun, but you want to make sure you have a good secure, that's in there good and secure. And then you just want to screw your little fitting in here, or your little male fin, your male end into the gun, like such. Oh, next we have our female piece that we are going to install on the hose. You're just going to take your hose and you're going to take your collar part of it, and you want to insert it in there. You want to kind of twist it in or push it in, whichever way you need. Inside the collar there is some threads, and you'll be able to see where you need to go up to. Once you get that done, you want to get you a marker, a pen or something, and you want to put your little dot right outside the collar so you know where you're at. And you're going to take, and when you take the threaded end, you might put you a little bit of Vaseline or something on it, might make it a little easier. And you're going to put it in there, and you want to start twisting it in. As you're twisting it in, keep an eye on your little dot. If the dot starts backing away, you are not twisting it into the hose. It's okay if it backs away just a little bit because it is going to push it away. Anyway, you want to put it in all the way till it reaches the top part here. You have your wrenches, whatever you need to be able to tighten it up all the way. Once it is securely in the hose, you can take your male piece and you just put it in, pull back on the collar and push it back up, and it holds it in securely. One thing we do need to discuss is if it is not installed properly and the hose starts bubbling up, immediately stop spraying. Once all the water and chemicals has drained out, you want to cut the hose just to the other side of the bubbled up spot. Once you do that, you can take all your fittings off and everything, and you can reinstall it again. If you do not do that, the bubble could keep moving down and it can destroy your hose and such. So keep an eye out for that.
So thank you for watching.
And thank you for watching.
And thank you for shopping GNC.
And thank you for shopping GNC. Alright. It's going to come in two main components. We're going to have the male.
We're going to start at the beginning.
All the way over?
Yes, darling.
I thought you were going to cut it.
Well, we want us to go ahead. You just.
Okay.
Absolutely beautiful. Okay.
Alright, and then we'll do that.
Now, there's something else.